250 gram of boneless chicken, and I have added the 2 tablespoons of yogurt. This is the 2 tablespoons of corn flour. This is 1 tablespoon of all-purpose flour. This is 2 tablespoons of rice flour. This is ginger garlic paste. This is soya sauce 1 tablespoon. 2 pinches red color. Half tablespoon chicken masala. 1 tablespoon red chili masala, and salt to the taste. Now we will mix all the ingredients. First, we will add the soya sauce. Now we will add ginger garlic paste in it. Then we will add red chili powder in it. Now we will add all the remaining things. We will mix it with now we have to marinate the chicken for half an hour. Now we will deep fry the marinated chicken. Our oil is heated. Our chicken 65 is frying very well. See, it's red color. Now I am going to take out it. Now I am going to fry all the chicken. Our chicken 65 is ready. You can eat the chicken 65 with normal sauce and soya Szechuan sauce. Our dish is ready. Our yummy and crispy chicken 65 is ready. Wow, really crispy.